Hi everybody, welcome back to Visit Fylde Coast. We're getting a little bit excited, just a little bit excited, because it's just about time for Christmas in Blackpool. If I do that, if I bend over a little bit, you can see the top of the tower. So it starts on Friday the 18th of November and runs right through until the 2nd of January 2023. Doesn't that sound weird? So we're going to go and take a look. We're going to go and take a look along the seafront, and we're going to go and see what's happening. Star Flyer's arrived. Look, you can see it there. And we're going to go and see what you can enjoy this Christmas when it all begins. Make sure that you've subscribed. Make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications. And don't forget to sign up for your Visit Fylde Coast email newsletter. And then you'll get all the latest updates straight into your inbox. Tour to Fleetwood Ferry. Still like trams. I know lots of towns have got them now, but it still tickles me that we've got trams like that. So here we have the Blackpool Tower basking in the beautiful November sunshine. And this is the Monday the 14th of November, at the beginning of the week when Christmas in Blackpool begins. So I'm here. I've snatched a little bit of sunshine to bring it to you and show you the setup and the organisation of what they're doing. So it begins on Friday the 18th of November, and the festival headland, which is where we are now, is going to be transformed into all kinds of interesting things. So you can see them all getting ready. Oh, do you know, I thought they were plants then. I thought surely they're not going to put plants up. And it's the festive holly and wreaths and stuff that's arriving for the cabins here to be transformed. We've got the funfair people in town. They're noisy. They're delivering and installing their rides for little kids. We've got the baubles, plural, there's two of them, all set up and ready for you to get all your selfies. So what's happening? Well, the Star Flyer, that's the big thing that you can see in front of us. No, I won't be going on it. The Star Flyer is here. There's an ice rink. Oh, I was just going to say, where's the ice rink going? Now we know where the ice rink's going. There's an ice rink. There's snowfalls and snow cannons. There's Christmas lights. There's the illuminations. There's Odyssey, which is where we're going to go in a second. There's tram tours, not that kind of tram, but the heritage tram tours. There's Park for £1. You can book a break using our Stay Blackpool guide. The attractions are open, you can meet Santa, there's loads of stuff. So we're going to go and take a walk around the other side of where these guys are working. See them under here, look, fitting the wreaths and things to the chalets. That looks like it's going to be souped up compared to last year. It looks like this is going to be a sort of an extension to the front of it, but we shall walk around here and take a closer look. I've passed today's engineering exam. This is the base for the ice rink. And actually it's quite interesting because you can see at this end they've hardly got any spaces in it. And at this end it gets even further, but at that end it's on a veritable pile of bricks. And that shows just how off square it is, the actual floor, to allow for the water to drain off when overtopping happens. Just trying to think and walk at the same time, it's never a good idea. Now don't they look nice? So they're obviously going to put seating areas at the front, and that's new. That big cabin's new. That's going to be really nice. I'm impressed with that. That looks really good. That looks really good, that does. Let's go through the orb. Let's go through the orb. Look at that sun. Wouldn't it be nice if it stopped like this? Dream on. So, next stop on our walk along the prom is to the amusement-y type stuff. So the first thing that you can see is Odyssey, and all 6 of these beasts are now in place. So we've got all 6 pieces of it installed where they should be. So the idea is that you walk in between the row of 6, and as you walk through the middle you get a sort of an interactive laser and light show which changes with everybody that walks through. So I bet that's really good actually. I might have to break a habit of a lifetime and stop outside in the dark. Joking apart, I'm up at the crack of dawn every morning, so when tea time comes, I've had enough. I'm ready for bed. That looks like the illuminatory, projectory stuff goes underneath there, look, because they've got a sort of a hat within them. Quite sinister really, aren't they, when you see them all together? So Odyssey are all in position. The ice rink is 40 metres long when it's finished. It's free to use and there's skate area included. The snowfalls, I don't think the snow cannons have arrived yet. The snowfalls, Yorkshire pudding wraps. Illuminations until the 2nd of January. Lotus spread. That looks nice. Lotus spread. I'm just eyeing up your goodies. He's come from the same place as me. Christmas by the Sea gets underway. The attractions are open, most of them. Ooh, nearly as big as Blackpool Tower. Don't forget, if you come in to stay for a break, to have a look at our Stay Blackpool guide, holiday guide. The link to it is in the description underneath this video. You can meet Santa at the Hounds Hill, at Coral Island, at Viva. They've got a show on called the Santa Adventure. Panto at the Grand Theatre is Sleeping Beauty. I'm going to that, I can't wait. Teacups. There's a Santa Dash on the 4th of December. And then, of course, there's this. Oh, God, there's a man walking up the middle of it. Can you see him up there? Oh, dear me. Just imagine. Oh. So if I tell you that it's Europe's largest travelling ride and it's 260 foot high, he's got nerves of steel. That must be wobbling like mad up there. I think I'm going to be sick just watching him. I saw the lights come on it earlier. Oh dear me today. I mean, just look how big it is and how narrow it is. Oh, it's just not right, is it? I didn't get to see this last year because Chrissy was in, well, dire straits all December, all November and December. So I didn't get to see any of it in the flesh. So that's the first time I've seen that, well, monster. So there you go, lots happening. We should come back. I mean, you know what I'm like. I'm just as interested in the setup as I am in what actually happens at the end of it. So we shall come back, of course, and we shall have another look at all this in action on multiple occasions, no doubt. But I thought you might like to see what's happening as they set up for Christmas by the Sea. See, all this, I've said this before, all this happens while you're tucked up at home in deepest, darkest Birmingham, and then you turn up and it's all working, it's all going, and you've absolutely no idea what's gone into it, and that's a blast for everything that you go to. It's amazing. You see, we don't go to sleep in Blackpool. We're open all year round. So there you go, you can take your pick of towers. We've got 2 to choose from. And from here, they look about the same size. So I hope you've enjoyed that. Don't forget, make sure that you've subscribed, make sure that you've hit the little bell for notifications. Don't forget to sign up for your email newsletter, and we will see you soon. Bye for now.